Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video going to be a different one. Today I'm gonna unbox Amazon Basics gimbal for mobile. I have purchased it from Amazon and it cost me around 5k. So let's not waste much time and jump into the unboxing. Whether you are vlogging, shooting videos or just capturing smooth footages, this gimbal could be a game changer for you. So let's see what's inside. Inside the box, there are some documentations like user manual and quick setup document. With the help of this quick setup document, we can do the initial setup of this gimbal. Let's just keep this documentation aside and we'll see how this gimbal basically looks like. I ordered the black color gimbal and it comes with a matte finish which gives a stunning look of this gimbal. So this is basically the main unit. It comes with the Amazon Basics branding. Let's keep the main unit aside and we'll see what all accessories are provided. Let's see what exactly this is. Oh, this is basically a tripod. Need to attach this with our main unit. There's a charging cable as well and it's a type C. So now I'm gonna attach tripod with this gimbal. This will help to place the gimbal on a surface. It has two buttons, one for power on off and another is for mode. It also has a joystick to pan the mobile left or right. There are two knobs in this gimbal. The first knob is going to help adjust the length and balance the phone. There is another knob present in back of the phone clamp. So this will help to set the phone vertically or horizontally. Let's balance the phones first. This is required in the initial stage of the setup. To connect our mobile with this gimbal, we need to install an application called Gimbal Pro. You can find it in Google Play Store. So I've already installed the application, that's why it is asking me to open the application. So let's just open. So after opening this, we need to connect via Bluetooth. So we need to turn on the Bluetooth. Then need to switch on this gimbal. Once it's switched on properly, then we can able to see in Bluetooth search you can find this device and we can easily connect via this application. So now we are into this gimbal where we have already set up, and you can see there is a charging point through which we can connect our mobile and we can charge our mobile as well. So it's a shutter to click the images and videos. So there are three indicators, like this is indicating the battery level, high, medium and low, and there are three indicator for mode as well, HF, LF and AF, and the two buttons, and with the help of mode button we can switch AF mode, LF mode and all. So you can see it's changed to vertical position. While double clicking on it, it will again take us to landscape mode. So it gives a smooth stabilized video and nice experience. So with the help of joystick we can pan the camera left or right, ups and downs. You can do whatever you want and it gives a very smoother experience. As you can see, I can completely take it to downwards, and after double clicking it will reset its position. And there is one button to zoom in and zoom out. As you can see, I can zoom in through this button and zoom out. So this is basically the controls of this gimbal.
We are done with our setup. Now let's see what all features are there in their application. So this is home option, so where you can see the list of devices and the camera. Then we have this camera settings where you can add filter, flash and white balance, grid mode, HDR, beauty there, so you can select. And then this is gimbal settings where you can set your gimbal accordingly. And next is main settings where we can see the different options. Then this is basically a gallery where you can see all those photos and videos. This is basically to turn on the selfie cam and switch the camera basically. So this is mode, different modes and timers are there, like panorama mode, single shot mode. And then this is switch camera to video. So hope you guys like this video and found it informative. If you like my video, do comment, like and subscribe. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.